To add a discount code in Gumroad, start by typing Gumroad into your web browser and navigating to the Gumroad website. Click the login button in the upper right corner and enter your email and password to access your account. Once logged in, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side with various options, including Home, Products, Collaborators, Checkout, Emails, Workflows, Seals, Analytics, and Payouts. Scroll down to find the Products option, which is the second item on the list, and click on it. From there, you can navigate to the product page and click the I want this button. To apply a discount code, fill out the required form, making sure to spell your email address correctly, and look for the box labeled Offer Code, which may also be referred to as a discount code. Enter the discount code in this field, and you're all set. After following these steps, you should be able to successfully add a discount code in Gumroad.